Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of driving under the influence and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty.
How you doing?
Hello, how are you today?
I'm well, thanks. I'm Sergeant Y.C. Champ Police Department. Can I see your license, your registration,
Yes,
insurance?
just give me 1 second.
Sure thing.
Together for you.
I just have to let you know my body camera's on.
Yeah, I appreciate it. I understand.
What's going on? What's going on with the light there? You were stopped.
No, I literally didn't see that it's or anything for a second.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
I'm literally coming from somebody's house. I was over somebody's house for a little bit.
Okay.
I'm going home.
Okay. Where's home at?
Around 4:33 a.m. on March 6, 2022, Sergeant Joshua Weiss with the Evesham Township Police Department was on patrol in the vicinity of NJ 70 and Elmwood Road. He observed a white 2015 Toyota Prius stopped at a traffic light and another vehicle next to it. The driver of the second vehicle insinuated that the driver of the Prius may be impaired. After the light turned green, Sergeant Weiss initiated a traffic stop and made contact with the driver, who was identified as Marissa. Upon speaking with Marissa, Sergeant Weiss detected the odor of alcohol. Marissa told him that she was stopped at the light because she did not realize it was green, and she admitted to consuming a glass of wine before driving.
Yeah.
Okay. How many drinks did you have tonight?
I had a glass of wine.
Glass of wine?
Yeah.
About what time?
About an hour ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Hang tight for me, all right?
Okay.
I'm on her. Who's coming out with you? Anyone else sign up?
I think they went to the station. It might be Underhar and
177, you respond out here.
Hello,
Where's he? Marissa, I'm just going to step out. I'm just going to put you through some field sobriety testing real quick, all right?
Yeah.
Just go walk around the back of the car here.
Okay. Yep.
And I'm just going to have one of our officers stand off to the side of the road here. We're going to get another car pulled up. I'll go ahead and pull your car up. Alright, she's gonna follow Officer Howell here at the front of her car.
Okay.
watch your step. I almost tripped over here. Okay. Stand right in front of this car for me.
Okay.
Yep. Alright, so we're going to put you through 2 tests. Do you have any issues with walking or balancing? No issues or injuries?
No.
Okay. So have you ever been through a field sobriety test before?
Yeah,
Based on his suspicion of impairment, Sergeant Weiss asked Marissa to exit the vehicle and perform field sobriety exercises. He started with the horizontal gaze nystagmus HGN test, and he observed the lack of smooth pursuit, distinct and sustained nystagmus at maximum deviation, and the onset of nystagmus prior to 45 degrees. Patrolwoman Howe then administered the walk and turn test. During the walk and turn test, Marissa did not touch heel to toe on each step, pivoted using the incorrect foot, and displayed a lack of balance on the return walk. The final field sobriety exercise was the one-leg stand test. During the one-leg stand test, Marissa kept putting her foot down and failed to complete the test.
Alright, so the first test is going to be the walk and turn. I'm going to explain it to you, I'm going to demonstrate it, and then I'll ask you to perform the test, okay?
Okay.
So for the walk and turn, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps forward.
Okay.
The foot that ends up in front, you're going to leave that planted in the ground. You're going to pivot around it and take 9 heel-to-toe steps back.
Okay.
I want you to count out each step and keep your hands by your sides.
Okay.
Okay?
I understand.
Alright, so the starting position is right foot in front of your left.
Alright,
Can you get in the starting position for me? And stay like that as I'm demonstrating the test, okay?
Okay.
So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to take 3 steps. I'm going to show you how to do it, but again, you're going to take 9 steps, okay?
Alright.
Alright. So again, 1, 2, 3. My lead foot is planted. I'm pivoting around it. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
You understand?
Yep.
Again, you're taking 9, hands by your sides, count out each step, heel to toe fashion.
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No, I do not.
Alright, you can begin when you're ready.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Alright, again, do you have any issues that would impact your ability to walk straight or balance?
No.
Alright, so the second test is called the one-leg stand test. You're going to pick a leg, doesn't matter which one.
Okay.
The other leg, you're going to hold your foot about 6 inches from the ground, your toes pointing straight. Look down at your toes.
Yep.
Keep your hands by your sides.
Yep.
You're going to count to about 30, alright? In the fashion of 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. You understand?
To 30?
Yep.
Alright.
The starting position for this is just hands by your sides, feet together. We get in the starting position.
Okay.
Hands by your sides. Thank you. I'm going to demonstrate it for you. I'm going to do 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. But again, you're going to count to 30, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so it's going to look like this. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, so on, okay? Keep your hands by your sides.
Yep.
1 foot about 6 inches above the ground. Look down at your foot.
Okay.
You have a watch on.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not going to look at that. Yep. You're going to just arrest me. It's fine.
No,
It is what it
no.
is. Listen,
Why are you getting
I
frustrated?
can't do it right now. I'm just going to fuck my whole life up.
Alright, well, how about we just try, okay?
It is what it is. I'm trying. It's just like there's no way I can do it.
Alright, calm down. It's okay. You want to just try? Whenever you're ready, go ahead.
I just know 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000. No, I can't. I can't. Hold on. I just know it's just because like I already admitted I had like 3 glasses of wine like an hour ago, so I'm fine. Like I just know.
Could you do me a favor and put your hands behind your back?
Yep.
Thank you.
Based on her erratic driving, the odor of alcohol, and her inability to adequately complete the field sobriety exercises, Patrolwoman Howe placed Marissa under arrest for driving under the influence. After she was placed under arrest, her vehicle was searched, and the patrolman De Lorenzo found what he suspected to be were prohibited items. Her vehicle was towed by Eagle Towing for a mandatory 12-hour hold under John's Law. Patrolwoman Howe subsequently transported Marissa to the Evesham Township Police Department for processing.
Again, you're under arrest for driving under the influence.
Do
Put your
you?
hands
Can I
here.
have my phone, please?
Yeah, we're gonna
Yeah,
listen.
I'll grab everything. for you.
Please, can I just have my phone?
You're gonna get issued tickets, and then you gotta get a ride home. You got somebody that you can call.
Yeah.
Where do you live?
I live in. I was coming back from somebody's house.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just traffic stuff, all right? It's not
I've
gonna-
never had a DUI. 35. It's never happened. I've never had it.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna ask them to take them.
Okay. As long as they're able to drive and in a good state of mind, all right?
So we're gonna get you in and out as quick as we can, all right?
I understand.
We're gonna come over here. To your left. To your left. And just stand right by. Stand right where you go from. Oh,
No,
you're going
sorry.
too far. You're going too far. No, over here.
Oh, I'm sorry. I just was wondering if I was supposed to get my the middle of the car.
No, we're gonna go. Just stay right there.
Alright, I'm gonna check you real quick, okay? Anything on you that's gonna stick me?
Of course not. I promise. Can I get my phone?
Yeah, we're
And
gonna
get my purse?
Yeah, we're gonna phone and purse, right?
Yes, my phone is my
Calm
purse.
down for a second.
I'm sorry. I'm
Stay. Spread your feet. Thank you.
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Alright. Thank you.
It's okay.
All right, you have a seat, man.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
You okay?
Keith spreads them out for the vehicle.
You just cold? And your phone and your keys obviously are in your car, right?
Yeah, everything's in my car.
Alright. So you want your
Actually, my keys are in my
purse out of the car?
Yeah, it's
Alright.
just
I gotcha. Let me go try and get that. I'll turn up the heat for you, alright?
I'm sorry, yeah.
From earlier.
Did somebody grab her purse?
I have not grabbed anything.
Alright.
Did she already get what she needed out of the car?
No, that's what I'm asking.
No. If you wouldn't mind just checking and I guess make sure she's got like all valuable.
Yeah, I don't know. Alright, thank you. Did you grab her purse already?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's got her phone in it as well?
Yeah, I put the phone in the purse.
Okay, thank you. It's what?
I got it. You're good.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I got you. I hope it's a little warmer back there.
It is.
Central 22196.
2096.
Central 22196. I'm en route 220 from stop location. Start with one adult female in custody. Starting mileage 105-138.
2026. Okay.
What's your name? Marissa? You said unfortunately?
Yeah.
Listen, at the end of the day, you seem like a good person. It turns out to be traffic tickets, you know?
I am. I really.
Also, I mean, like, obviously this sucks, but at least you didn't, like, God forbid, hurt yourself or hurt someone else, you know? Right, so it's better if, ultimately, it's better if you're there with us and you get some traffic tickets than, God forbid, you hurt yourself. No, I got you.
My parents literally are, I have a 8-year-old. And my parents were like for a week from California. They've been there for 4 months because this guy's a professor at university and he's
At Police HQ, Officer Matthews read Marissa the standard statement for motor vehicle operators, and she agreed to submit breath samples for testing. Patrolman Matthews administered the alco test machine, and her results indicated a BAC of 0.14%, which is more than the legal limit of 0.08%. Marissa was issued traffic summonses for operating under the influence, reckless driving, and delaying traffic. She was also charged under to C 36-2 and to C 35-10A1 for being in possession of the prohibited items.
Parents, like, in town and you were seeing them?
now just for a week. And
Okay.
California, so because like when my son's 8 years old, my mom literally, my mom's like that mom, but she's just very worried about her kids. Like she's just very involved. I'm a single mom, so my mom's just really worried. I've been teaching for a while, but she's still involved because obviously, my son's not like very involved.
Yeah.
So she'll be very, very concerned about California. And I think this might keep going like that. If she finds out all this, so I really don't feel like I don't want to.
Well, yeah, I mean, if you got someone else you can call, you know, then that's a bridge you can cross at a later day.
Yeah, I'm gonna hopefully be able to do that.
Okay. Yeah, we'll get to working on that, so you can get out of here as quick as you can.
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
It's just I just know how is it teaching you
What'd you say?
I just know how it is. I just don't know how to. I mean, I know how it is to when you're really trying to get a job. You have a DUI or a DUI, so you know how it works. But when you're out the job,
Trenton's not an easy place to be.
what?
Trenton's not an easy place to be.
You know what I love?
So,
They are. No, it's not. And
I know that applies to a lot of kids. Central 22196 out at 220, ending mileage 140.